The crunch of this lettuce mellows out the bold, spicy and smoky flavours of this chicken bulgogi. It's Wok Wednesday, welcome back to School of Wok. I'm here to show you this awesome Korean chicken dish. We're going to start actually with a side salad really. It's a daikon salad or a radish salad. And I've done most of this, but just to show you how we get really thin some matchsticks of radish. If you peel it first and then sort of layer up your peel or your really thin slices and then roll it up, it then becomes easier to get really lovely thin slices of your radish. Nice and easy. Next up, you want to finely slice or julienne some spring onion. I'm just going to pop those in cold water. Finely chop some garlic and ginger. I'm going to use some of the garlic for the radish salad and then the rest of the garlic and ginger for your marinade for your chicken. Season your radish salad. I've got a little bit of garlic, some gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder, a couple of teaspoons of rice vinegar, and then to balance out that sourness, some brown sugar. Fish sauce for your saltiness, and then give that a good mix through. And then my spring onion, just been sitting in cold water, curled up nicely, can just get mixed in. Now, really easy, onto the marinade for your chicken. Now you can get, obviously, your beef bulgogi and different types of meat, which are great for a Korean barbecue. The chicken one, I find a simpler recipe that doesn't have any pear or anything like that, doesn't make it sort of too pasty, this marinade, works a treat. I'm going to take a quarter of this onion, because it's quite big, and just slice into it. And then the rest, I'm going to do sort of rough chops or dices into. And that's going to go into the actual marinade. The slices I'll use for actual searing or frying when I fry the meat. And everything for the marinade, I'm going to pop into a food processor. That ginger and garlic can go in with the onions. And then it's just about compiling a few sauces and flavours. Got some light soy sauce, a little bit of gochujang, not excessive amounts. That's the Korean chili paste. And that should give the marinade a nice stickiness alongside some honey. I don't want too much honey. I just want enough to caramelise around the outside of each piece of chicken. Got some mirin, your Japanese sweet rice wine, and some sesame oil, and some toasted sesame seeds. Give that a good mix. The chicken thighs are naturally very tender and succulent already. So, as I say, nothing sort of extra in terms of like pear that might be used in a beef bulgogi is really needed for this. For a quick fix. I just like to thin it out so that when it comes to frying or grilling, it cooks really nice and quickly. I've only used a couple of chicken thighs here just to show you guys. So I'm not going to use all of this paste because I don't want it to come out too strong. But those toasted sesame seeds in that marinade just hit you straight away. They make all the difference in that sort of base flavour that you might not sort of realise where it comes from, but you can really smell that straight away. Get that well mixed around your chicken, and then other than a bit of lettuce and some rice that's already been cooked, all I need to do now is cook this up. Now traditionally this chicken would be cooked on like a tabletop barbecue, but frying pan works a treat, and this is, you know, a kind of quick version for a quick sort of mid-week meal. A little bit of oil. That pan is smoking hot. Woo! Definitely creating a barbecue effect here with the heat on that pan. All that chicken's in, just separate it out so that each piece of chicken Gets a nice char around the edges. Remember that little bit of honey in there? I put honey in there. You could use rice syrup as well, Korean rice syrup, and it just glazes or chars very quickly. Get that lovely barbecue smoky flavour. I've turned the heat down slightly now for that, after that initial seal, that initial sort of smokiness, just to make sure it cooks through. I've definitely created that indoor barbecue feel for this room, so if there's a little bit of haziness, I am sorry, but hey, it's for the food. Right, this is all done. I've got these onions here that you don't want to forget. I'm going to sort of mop up that flavour from the chicken juices whilst I serve this up. I'm just going to deglaze these onions with a bit of water. Got some lettuce leaves and some freshly steamed rice here. Let's just take this radish salad. Some of those toasted sesame seeds over the top. And then it really is simple as compiling as you go. Put your radish salad over the top, and then you've got your lettuce wrap. Nice, quick and easy. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, ding, hit that notification bell if you like this recipe and you want to learn more.